let's learn CVC words. Before that, let's know about consonants and vowels. We will also learn short vowel sounds along with CVC words. You know, English alphabets got two houses to live. One is C house, that is bigger, and the other is V house, that is smaller. Among 26 alphabets, 21 are little quiet, but rest 5 are talkative. So, 21 move into the bigger house and rest 5 go to the smaller house. As I said, they are little talkative. Alphabets living in the C house are called consonants, and alphabets living in the V house are called vowels. Though vowels live in the small house, they are stronger than consonants. They decide the sound pattern for a word. So now you know, in alphabets, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and rest are consonants. Let's recall vowels. It's A, E, I, O, U. Vowels give deciding sound to the word. Let's see how. If we write P and T together, it will be difficult to pronounce T, but if we put vowels in between, let's see what happens. P, T is here. It is difficult to pronounce it, but if we put letter A in between, it becomes P, A, T. Pat. If we put E, it becomes P, A, T, pet. If we put I, it becomes P, E, T, pit. If we put O, it becomes P, O, T, pot. If we put U, it becomes P, U, T, put. So, see, it was difficult to pronounce T, but if we put any vowel between them, we get a sound like pat, pet, pit, pot, put. And therefore, A, E, I, O, and U are known as vowels, and rest are known as consonants. We have learnt consonants and vowels. Now we will see how they make 3-letter words or CVC words. In CVC words, vowel stands between 2 consonants, like consonant, vowel, consonant. Let's see some examples. Like K, A, T. Cat has a sound of short vowel A. H, A, N. Hen has a sound of short vowel E. B, E, B. Bib has a sound of short vowel I. P, O, T. Pot has a sound of short vowel O. And K, A, T. Cut has a sound of short vowel U. CVC words with short vowel A sound. Popcorn is showing you something. Oh, what's that? It is a sound wheel. Let's understand what it shows. As we see vowel A at the center, it is the A sound wheel. A and M makes am, as in dam and ram. Dam and ram are rhyming words. A and D makes ad, as in dad and said. Dad and said are rhyming words. A and G makes ag, as in tag and bag. Tag and bag are rhyming words. A and N makes N, as in fan and pan. Fan and pan are rhyming words. A and T makes at, as in bat and rat. Bat and rat are rhyming words.
I have learned that if vowel is pronounced little faster, then it is called short vowel sound. Let's repeat words with short vowel A sound. Dam, ram, dad, said, tag, bag, fan, pan, bat, rat.
CVC words with short vowel A sound. Oh, what is this? It is a sound wheel. Let's understand what it shows. As we see vowel E at the center, it is the A sound wheel. A and D makes ed, as in bed and red. Bed and red are rhyming words. A and G makes egg, as in leg and peg. Leg and peg are rhyming words. A and N makes N, as in hen and pen. Hen and pen are rhyming words.
I have seen that here vowel is pronounced little faster, so it is called short vowel sound. Let's repeat words with short vowel E sound. Bed, red, leg, peg, hen, pen.
CVC words with short vowel E sound. Oh, again, a sound wheel. Let's understand what it shows. As we see, vowel I at the center. It is the E sound wheel. E and T makes it, as in sit and kit. Sit and kit are rhyming words. E and D makes id, as in kid and lid. Kid and lid are rhyming words. E and G makes ig, as in pig and fig. Pig and fig are rhyming words. E and N makes in, as in bin and pin. Bin and pin are rhyming words. E and P makes ip, as in lip and zip. Lip and zip are rhyming words. E and X makes ix, as in six and mix. Six and mix are rhyming words.
Here vowel is pronounced little faster. So it is called short vowel sound. It's time to recall the words with short vowel I. Sit, kit, kid, lid, pig, fig, bin, pin, lip, zip, mix, six.
CVC words with short vowel or sound. Here comes another sound wheel. Let's understand what it shows. As we see vowel O at the center. It is the O sound wheel. O and D makes odd, as in rod and pod. Rod and pod are rhyming words. O and T makes ot, as in cot and pot. Cot and pot are rhyming words. O and P makes op, as in mop and top. Mop and top are rhyming words. O and X makes ox, as in fox and box. Fox and box are rhyming words. O and B makes ob, as in job and sob. Job and sob are rhyming words. O and G makes og, as in log and dog. Log and dog are rhyming words.
As here, vowel is pronounced little faster, so it is called short vowel sound. It's time to repeat the words with short vowel O sound. Rod, pod, cot, pot, mop, top, fox, box, job, sob, log, dog.
CVC words with short vowel a sound. That's a sound wheel. Let's understand what it shows. As we see vowel U at the center. It is the a sound wheel. A and B makes ub, as in tub and cub. Tub and cub are rhyming words. A and M makes as in some and gum. Some and gum are rhyming words. A and N makes as in bun and sun. Bun and sun are rhyming words. A and P makes up, as in cup and pup. Pup and cup are rhyming words. A and G makes ug, as in jug and mug. Jug and mug are rhyming words. A and T makes ut, as in nut and hut. Nut and hut are rhyming words.
So here, vowel is pronounced little faster, so it is called short vowel sound. Let's recall the words with short vowel U sound. Tub, cub, some, gum, bun, sun, cup, pup, jug, mug, hut, nut.
Read and recall. It's time to read and recall CVC words. In CVC words, vowel sound is always in middle and it is pronounced faster and quicker. So it is called words with short vowel sound. Let's read and recall the words that have short vowel A sound. At words: bat, cat, rat, sat, fat, mat, hat, pet. M words: dam, ram, jam, ham. Add words: bad, dead, fed, said. Egg words: bag, leg, sag, rag. N words: man, fan, ran, tan. F words: cap, lab, dab, fab. Now let's recall words with short vowel E sound. Adwords. Bed, bed, red, wed. Adwords. Beg, leg, peg. N-words. Men, pen, ten. At-words. Bet, let, jet, met, get. Now let's recall words with short vowel I sound. Ib words. Bib, nib, rib. Ig words. Big, dig, fig. Id words. Bid, mid, lid, kid. It words. Bit, lit, sit, pit, kit. In words. Bin, tin, fin, kin, pin. Ip words. Dip, sip, rip, lip, zip. Ix words. Pix, six, mix. Now let's recall words with short vowel O sound. Up words. Job, mop, sob, rob. Og words. Bog, dog, fog, jog, log. Up words. Lop, mop, cop, top, hop. Ox words. Fox, box. Odd words. Cod, pod, rod, nod. Odd words. Cot, dot, pot, lot, hot. Now let's recall words with short vowel U sound. Up words. Dub, rub, sub. Ud words. Bud, mud. Un words. Bun, fun, none, run, sun. Words. Hum, gum, some, mum. Ut words. Cut, but, nut.
So now you have learned to read new words. Wow!